If you usually create a frame or border in Microsoft Word, the position of the frame or border will be on the edge of the Microsoft Word worksheet and not on the paper margin. So if we change the size of the paper margin, the frame or border will remain in place. Later we will make the frame or border change position following the margin size on the Microsoft Word worksheet. The method is very easy. Please watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to support us. Thank you. First, we create the frame by going to the menu, then selecting Paste. Then a new Borders and Shading window will appear. Select the desired frame shape in the Art section. Then set the thickness and color of the frame. Now to make this frame positioned following the margin size, you select Option. In the Measure From section, you change from Edge of Page to Text. Then click OK to save the settings, and click OK again. Then the frame that was previously positioned on the edge of the worksheet will automatically change to a position following the size of the paper margin. Well, how easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends. See you in the next video. Bye.